today I've been working in the garage, getting all the Christmas stuff down, and I am ready to film. It's gotten to a point to where most of it's cleaned up. I completely reorganized the pegboard. But yeah, today we are gonna unbox this Makita brushless impact driver. Now they do make multiple versions of this, and this is the mid-range quarter hex impact driver. Now they have two more powerful ones that they both have a select button setting to where you can actually have the certain speed and have it for screw as well. But this version does not. This version is just a variable trigger only. But this is the Black Friday / holiday $100 tool sale, to where you get a 3 amp hour battery, a bag, a charger, and a tool with it. So I had to hit this up since the stock is actually getting really low. So we're going to open this up and see how this impact performs. Now, one thing I want to do really quick is I want to open this up. This is my first time actually having Makita bits, an actual kit. And so I bought in a previous video for the drill bit war, I bought just a couple of them in a little pack, but this is my first time having an actual kit. So let's open this up, get this out of the way. Now this kit was $24. What's this? Oh, it's just storage. I thought there was going to be a lot of bits in there, but it is not. And very good. We can take this plastic out. That's what I got with the kit. Perfect. Throw this away. And while I was there, I did get the 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch hex socket adapter. We are going to test this out as well in this video. Now, the difference between this and any other brands is this is actually, you're capable of having a little a little give, a little flexibility in case if you, so it's not straight. So we're going to see how that actually performs. So if you compare it to the Milwaukee, as you can see, it's yeah, it is a 1/2 inch. So that's going to be interesting to see. We are done with this. See, it's good to have a little. It's good to have a little case full of tools right next to you in case you need it, so you don't go looking for it. All right, this is garbage. What we have here. I will not be saving the box at all. Don't need it. Alright, and there we go. Alright, so the first thing you get in the box is you get the charger. There they are. The instructions and their catalog. So that's interesting. I gotta look over that catalog. You get a charger, which this is DC1 8SD. I do not know if this is a fast charger or not, but unfortunately with the Makita, you cannot hang your charger on the wall. That's just how it comes. That's just how it comes. Now, I wish that they would, but you do have some nice rubber stops on the bottom, so when you put it on a flat surface. And that's that. Alright, then you get a bag and a belt clip. Now this bag is, there you go. Is this the same one I got? Yeah, it's the same one I got. So there we go. Get a nice bag. What's this? That fell out. Alright, and so you get 3 amp hour battery, with a cover, which I like that. I like having that cover on there. We're going to put this on charge immediately. Actually, let's put that on charge now. Alright, so that is charging. And the last you get is the tool. That it in there? Yep, that's it. There we go. Look at that. That is nice. That is nice. Alright, so this is model number XDT13. Variable speed trigger only. A double LED light on the underneath the collet. It goes to 0 to 3,400 RPM and 0 to 3,600 impacts per minute. Yeah, 1,500 inch-pounds of torque. So, like I said, this is not their top model of the quarter-inch hex impact. All right, so that's pretty much it for the box. We are gonna let the battery charge up, and we're gonna test this out and see how it does. One thing I did forget to do. Let's see how well these gloves perform putting on a small screw with these on. So before, yeah, see, I could grab that screw immediately. Much better. This thing's awesome. Alrighty, we are ready to go. Let's see, with these I could adjust the camera. Now we are... Right now we are going to try the Makita 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch hex impact adapter. Can you just push it in? Yes, you can. I like it when the collet, you just push it in. You got to take it out like that though, but you are able to just push this in. I'm curious on how that's going to act. And for this test, we are going to use Tech Life impact rated sockets. Got my number 19, perfect. See, as you can see, I made this more functional for me to, instead of me finding stuff, I have the stuff I normally use immediately. Alright, that's interesting. That is interesting. So yeah, so you're able to... Interesting. We're going to see how that acts under tension. We're going to find out. I'm curious. Alright, we are going to try 2.5 inch lags first. No, actually, I completely forgot. Sorry. There we go. Yeah, these gloves are so much easier to use. $14 at Home Depot. Got them 2 days ago. And yeah, so much easier to use for these videos. Because I could, like, so much better. Alright, we are going to try, we have 4 of them. We're going to put 4 in, time it, see how it does. No speed setting, variable trigger only. Alright, so, ready, go. Time. We're going to put 4 in, and then we're going to take the 4 out all at once. But individually, we're going to put them in. Alright, a little bit more. Alright, so ready? Go. Time. Stay right here. I'm trying to do it on the same ring. Alright, so ready, go. Time. Not bad. Battery life is still full. Last one. Ready, go. Time. That one barely missed that one. Alright, so what we are going to do is we're going to take these out all at once. I'm going to go to the next one as soon as possible without wasting any time. At 3 bars. I wish it was a little bit brighter. Alright, so ready, go. Time. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. They do. I should have used the one that's in here. My bad. Sorry about that. They actually do have this bit. We are going to try out this 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch hex adapter. I'm actually curious on how that works. We're going to test it out with 4.5 inch lags. So I'm curious. I am curious. Alright, so right there is good. Ready, go. Oh, I see how it works. Time. Alright, I see how that works. Alright, so how this works is right now it's like that, but as soon as you got to do for this, you do have to make sure that the ball bearing is with the hole, because this actually locks it straight. Perfect. Let's do another one. Do it right here. Alright, so now it's locked. Ready, go. Time. Not bad. Not bad at all. I like that. I like that feature that's on that. We're going to have to use this one from now on. Battery is at 3 bars still. Not sure if you could see that. Let's take these out and see how long it takes. We're going to take them out. We'll time it individually. Alright, so ready, go. Time. Not bad. Alright, one more. Ready, go. That one was fast. I could tell that one was fast. Alright, so this thing's actually extremely awesome now. I'm glad I have it in my arsenal. So just to, one more tool to do conduct all these tests with, and so yeah, this thing is it's extremely compact. Now I do not know what the power is. You can't really judge that until you do a versus video, which we will. This is gonna just be included with everything else. And so yes, so this has been the unboxing and demonstration of the Makita brushless 1/4 inch hex impact driver, model number XDT13. Now this was a $100 kit. We are gonna do another $100 kit versus a $100 kit in the very soon. And so yes, that's pretty much it. This is Dave Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in.